Destiny Ridge. Hey viewers, how you going? Okay, today we're going to be doing this. Putting some frames together, and what we're going to be doing is building a shower toilet room. See, look, there's a shower base. Look at it. Sorry my place is still messy. I haven't cleaned it all up yet. Anyway, so I'm going to put the shower here in this little corner, 900 out here. Vanity unit here, so I have plumbing going out there, and toilet over here. Well, there it is there. All right, I don't have the fan thing yet, but so what I do is I put the blue lid on. Okay, so it'll come off of here somewhere, about here, out here, and it'll go across there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's get to it. Hey again. Anyway, I tried to get to it. I put one nail in. Guess how good the nail gun's going? Can you, yeah, see this? This was down in there, and it was also down in there, and it was also up in there. It was everywhere. So, I pulled it apart, and that's it. She's a no good. So, straight onto eBay, because I can't afford $900 for a nail gun that I'm going to use for a couple of days. And I definitely don't want to hire one for, I don't know how much, $100 a day or whatever. I can get one off of eBay for $185 or something. So that's what I've done. I've gone in, said stuff it. I thought maybe it might have just been corroded, because I know that this aluminium does corrode if you don't oil it. Now, I did oil it. I did put oil in there when I stored it in its box, but it was stored for a long time, maybe 20 years. Now, this little doodad goes up and down, and oh, it's actually the wrong way around, that goes that way, but anyway, and it doesn't slide very well. So what had happened was I put one nail in. Right, you beauty, this is going pretty good. Went to put the second one in. No, sorry, it's not doing it. So, going by eBay. Now, I can't find spares for this. This is a no-name brand. See, nothing, zero, no stickers, no nothing. It's got a bit of a warning there. Don't stick your tongue on the nail when you pull the trigger, I think it says, which might be a good idea. Never play with nail guns, people. They kill. All right, so all pulled apart. I'm going to say the nail gun's name is now Ratchet. All right, that's the Ratchet nail gun. I do need to go to Mum's place this week, see how she's going. I'm also going to book my car in for a service. That one there. It does a lot of kilometres when you drive to and from. You know, each drive is 600 kilometres. You only have to do it not even 10 times, and you've already finished. You got your 5,000 Ks up for your oil change and everything. So it's overdue. I got to get it down, get the oil and diesel filters changed, or whatever it is. I know the oil filter has to be changed. Get the oil changed. Just check stuff. And I've got to get new windscreen wipers, because, as usual, you know, in my whole life, I've had to change windscreen wipers a few times, and you should always check your windscreen wipers, people. Do that. You don't want to be caught in a storm or heavy downpour and find out that your windscreen wipers are no good. Windscreen wipers will set you back about $100 for a good pair, or maybe a little bit more, I don't know. Let's say around $100. $100 is much cheaper to spend than to die and your family has to spend thousands putting you in the ground. Just because you didn't want to spend $100. Go out and spend $100 or spend $200 and get somebody to put them on. What you can do is, I know this isn't the video I was doing, but feel it and see that's a bit hard. You can feel that the rubber's a bit hard. And look, see the colour? If it's like that, she's a time to change. All right, so I'll get them to change them to new ones. And because what I found was when I pulled the little, put the sprayer up, there was some residue left on the screen. Which means when it's going to rain heavy, you're going to get residue and you're not going to be able to see as well as you could. All right, so go out and get them, check them. All right, I don't know how long they're supposed to last, but these are only 2 years old or 3 years old. This is a 2020 model, so yeah, it's probably just gone 3 years, and the windscreen wipers are stuffed. They're no good. Well, passenger side's all right. Driver side, rubbish, can't see out of it properly. So go and check that. I'm going to wait for my nail gun to turn up and we'll get this done. But yeah, look, here's my door. Comes in the frame. So all you do is just nail the frame up and door's already hung. Love that idea. Love that idea. And this is a 3-sided shower. So when I put it in, it'll have a wall here, a wall here, and a wall at the back. And I'll put a shower screen door at the front. Or I'll just have I think I'll put a shower screen at the front. Yeah, just a scratch door. But other than that, that's it for me. Hey, Sonny, come here. What are you doing? Sit. Oh, you're a good boy. Gee, you're a good boy, aren't you? Oh, no, we're not going on the bike. Don't get upset. Don't get too excited. Gosh, I will have to take him, otherwise he'll chew me ankle. All right, talk to you soon. Love yous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.